Morning begins gently on the floating garden. Bamboo platforms rest quietly on the water as sunlight slowly wakes the day.
The garden float, not drifting, just breathing with the river.
Tall bamboo stands nearby, their leaves whispering softly in the breeze. Each sound feels unhurried, as if time itself has decided to slow down. With calm hands, bamboo is harvested carefully. Nothing is rushed.
Nothing diswasted.
Each cut is made with respect, as if the garden is listening. The bamboo is carried back across the water, resting lightly on a small wooden raft. The river reflects green and gold, holding the weight without complaint. In the rustic kitchen, tools are arranged simply. There is no excess here, only what is needed. Fresh vegetables are washed in clear water.
On move slowly, letting the cool stream pass between fingers. Light dance on the surface, turning small moment into quiet joy.
Cooking begins with soft sounds, a knife touching wood, vegetables meeting the board. Steam rises gently, as if carrying stories into the air.
A clépo warm over a small fire. The flame crackle softly, patient and keen.
Food cooks at its own pace, just like life here. The meal is served simply on bamboo plates. No decoration is needed. The floating garden itself is enough.
A evening arrive, the sky turn orange and blue. Water mirrors the fading light.
The garden grows quiet again, full, peaceful, and complete. Here, life does not rush forward. It floats gently, one calm day at a time.